being that this car has the adaptive air suspension, your car will actually raise up. It does have the warm weather package, which is the ventilated seats. You also have the driver's assistance package, where you have the ability to have adaptive cruise control. You got lane centering, some of the nicer features. You are, however, since this is a Premium Plus, you will not have the heads-up display or the double pane windows. But for 47,000 miles, yes, you do have a little break-in because these are real leather seats. Otherwise, the car is in really good condition. Does have a few advanced features like that warm weather package, which is for zone climate control. And the 23s, 24 models will be known as the executive package. I was actually very surprised that it has the adaptive air suspension and available in the Premium Plus, which is usually for the prestige models. Yeah, so it's a pretty well-maintained vehicle. Thanks. This is Jay with Audi.